So this is a very beautiful living space, but this is where you get your... So this is our kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform, and then this is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Ocean Almanova, which is located near Ghorpadi Road, Kirtane Bagh, Mundwa, Pune, and is developed by Ocean Group. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4.5 acre of land parcel in which you will be getting 3 towers having basement plus ground plus 4 podiums plus 25 floors, in which you will be getting 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 4 BHK penthouses, premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Ghorpadi Road, Kirtane Bagh, Mundwa, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंडवा चौक which is 180 meters away, Seasons Mall which is 2.6 kilometers away, and Neon IT Park which is 3.6 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, mini theatre, sit-out area, football court, kids play area, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 3 BHK sample flat which has 1307 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance door you get a digital door lock for security purposes, and then this is your entrance lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is a very beautiful living space, but this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is a dining space. As you can see, it's quite spacious, and you can set up your dining table here and enjoy lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is our kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a dry balcony attached to it, where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get a sink attached there. Now, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat. But before we check out our first bedroom, let me tell you that just in front of you get a common wash basin and a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space here. You get your bed setup space right here, and you also get windows attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let us check out our second bedroom. So this is a very beautiful second bedroom. As you can see, you get your bed setup space right here. You get a lot of walking space here, and you also get a separate space to set up your study or work table. And then you also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. And you also get windows attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting, and this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before we check out our master bedroom, which is the third bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. So just at the entrance you have a lot of walking space with the entire lobby, and then this is your very spacious master bedroom. I must tell you that you get a lot of walking space here. You get your bed setup space right here, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 3-side cover. But that is not all. You also get your walk-in wardrobe space right here. And you also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Ocean Almanova, which is located near Ghorpadi Road, Kirtane Bagh, Mundba, Pune, and is developed by Ocean Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.